New court documents reveal major family turmoil surrounding the people on that cruise before 18-year-old Anna Kepner died, and the details are disturbing. So before I even begin, I want to show you that all of this information comes from recent court filings. And while the minor in it is not named, his initials are TH, and his age is 16. So Anna has a stepbrother who has those same initials and is 16. Anna's stepbrother's name is Timothy Hudson, and he was born in 2009. So I'm not saying that this confirms guilt. It doesn't, but again. Anyways, the pattern inside these documents are really very difficult to ignore. I'm going to show you a few of them. So I want you to look at number 6 here. Obviously, this is the second page of the document. But, it says right here, it is true that there is an open investigation regarding the death of the biological daughter of the stepfather, and TH is a suspect regarding this death, which occurred recently on a cruise ship. But here's where it gets interesting. These filings actually show that there were multiple filings before this cruise ever took place. Multiple DV incidents, including the stepmother and the father of the minor children who she brings on this cruise. And one of them actually even includes DCF being involved and physical violence, like I said, and an incident where their eldest child, 18-year-old, almost gets run over by one of them. He allegedly tried to jump out of a moving car so he could stay in the county they were living in because he wanted to be near his girlfriend or something like that. These allegations are kind of a little bit insane. Now, again, I'm showing you, it was said that DV against the mother, claiming the mother tried to, that's what I was just telling you, but the mother has not at any time denied the father time sharing per the modified parenting plan. Blah, 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 blah. However, the 2 remaining minor children have each told the father they do not wish to visit him due to issues of DV. Very interesting. There is also a separate case involving a man connected to this family with court filings mentioning SEX violence, injunctions, and a total turbulent custody history, and these all predate Anna's death. In addition, these documents also say this was not the first time authorities were involved with this family. There are simultaneous investigations by DCF, the FBI, and multiple courts about child safety in this home. And this happened before the cruise. Why? Now, let's remember, you can draw your own conclusions, but let's talk about the key facts. A minor, a 16-year-old minor with the initials TH, is a suspect in Anna's death. That minor is actually for the safety, it says it in these court documents, of the other children living in the homes, is now living with a relative of his mother. There is an active investigation into that minor. Now, let's talk a little bit more about allegedly what happened on the cruise. Anna and her 2 brothers, again, one is 16 and one was 12, shared a room on this cruise, all 3 of them. Now, it is alleged that this 16-year-old stepbrother with the initials TH did beat Anna, wrap her in a sheet, put her underneath a bed, and put life jackets on top of her. It's alleged that Anna went to bed, left dinner early on Thursday, the Thursday before. She left dinner early saying she didn't feel well, did not show up for breakfast on Friday morning. That is when a frantic search began, and when the cabin or the room's maid found her. It was also alleged that TH slept on said bed that Anna's deceased body was under that night, allegedly. And that the younger brother, who again allegedly knew nothing had happened to Anna, slept in the bed next to him, TH. Now, I want to know, there's so many questions, like, did he not wonder where Anna was overnight if the three of them were sharing a room? Did the parents not go check on, like, when they brought their other children, at least the younger child, into the room that night or the cabin that night? Like, did they not say, oh, where's Anna? She wasn't feeling well. Like, she's not in her bed. Like, help me out here, parents. I want to say it loud and clear. Again, TH, no charges have been filed yet. And again, innocent until proven guilty. But these documents definitely, like, show a family that was under strain. And it's extremely sad. I want to point out another little bit of an interesting tidbit here as well. Anna's obituary has changed also. Originally, it said that she had a stepmom. I'm sorry, her mother was Tabitha. It has now changed to where it says her mother is Heather, which actually is, in fact, her biological mother. Now, apparently, this is, according to several media sources, this is her real mom, who she says she has not seen or talked to Heather. I'm sorry, she has not seen or talked to Anna for quite some time since she's moved to Oklahoma, and that is the reason why. Now, y'all have seen many of Anna's TikToks explaining why she says she didn't talk to her mom. Again, y'all can go look for them yourself, but I find it interesting that all of a sudden her mom is like, her biological mom is coming out into the media like, you had nothing to do with Anna. And now, like, anyways, it is now 6 o'clock at night on November 20th, and Anna's memorial service is about to begin. And family and friends are encouraged to not wear black. Actually, they want it to be a very colorful service, they said, to represent her colorful soul. This story is so heartbreaking, y'all. As always, I want to know what you guys think. Put your thoughts in the comments below.